Welcome to Botanical Auras. This week, we're exploring rose's softness and strength through plant knowledge, simple rituals, and soundscapes. Rose has a timeless aroma and a tenderness you don't forget. In herbal traditions, rose is a heart ally, gently astringent, calming, and often used for skin and the emotional body. Modern research has explored rose for antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and mood-related effects. And here's the wild part. Rose oil is incredibly scarce, about 0.3 to zero point 0.4 milliliters per kilogram of petals, even around 2,000 petals for a single drop. That's why the rose has always been treated like something precious, ritualized in scent, medicine, pattern, and art. Across cultures, the rose becomes a universal symbol of love, because it's both tenderness and thorn. And the rose isn't only fragrance, it's pattern. Petals often arrange in repeating symmetry, and many flowers follow spiral growth patterns, forms that echo the geometry we see across nature, and artists have carried that language for centuries. In Sandro Botticelli's Birth of Venus, roses drift through the air like a blessing. They're not random. Roses belong to Venus, a symbol of love, beauty, and desire. So this week, let's slow down enough to truly notice the rose, its scent, its structure, its medicine, its myth. Not just as a flower, but as a quiet wonder worth appreciating.